National Immunization Day, Intensified Pulse Polio Immunization Program 2024, ngasi Manipur ki oina Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapum Ranjan haudokre. March mga fauba chathagadawriba polio immunization program asi Directorate of Family Welfare Services Manipur amasung State Health Society National Health Mission Manipur na senduna lamfelda laiba State Family Welfare Training Center da haudokhibani. Thauramadaga mari lainana mafam aduda child friendly oiba model immunization center amasu minister na hangdokhe. Polio immunization program haudokpa aduga mari lainana wangang bada minister Dr. Sapum Ranjan na phongdokhibada World Health Organization na India si polio free oiba laibak ama oire haina kumja lisingani taraga marigi March kungatareta lauthokhrabane. Adubu India ga yumthang nariba laibak singdagi polio laina asi laibak asida amuk hanna sandoraktanaba cheksinba mathau tabadagi India ga mena program asi paikhatpani haike. Loinana pokpadangairiba angangdagi chahi manga faubada laiba angang singda polio vaccine piba asina angang aduda nattana koibada lairiba khudingmak polio dagi safe oigadawribani amadi tungi mirolda masama ufana thambada achauba mateng piribani. Maram asina mama mapa oibasingna pikliba angang khudingmak amatta chithadana polio gi vaccine pithaknaba hotnabada corporation pibiduna laingak na paikhatliba program asida mapungfana saruk yabinaba apil tawrakle.
No individual should be left behind who needs vaccination of the cow, even in this time of crisis, asongi Myanmar but sangi bagi kenosi kenoda lady but kamzo mundaga lady basi even sibo the vaccine because that is important. Humanity also serves. Was it polio? The vaccine ni pulse polio gi matam ni haibada mayam the spread to bina bina magta imung khuding magta Manipur laiba imung khuding magta yobiraga. Let's all fight, unite duga khwaidigi maru oina the health and well-being of our future generations.